There once was a sloth called Atticus, who fancied himself wise as Pythagoras. When Corona spread country to country, Atticus the yuppie worked from his study and thought spreadsheets were rather lovely. You see, he could wake when he wished, every day cook a new dish. He got pumped on his Peloton, training hard for a virtual marathon. He wore his pyjamas all day with delight and connected with friends online at night. Time was aplenty to pick up new skills, so he learned the djembe and ran for the hills. Lounging in the fresh air, he was fully content, without suspecting the creeping descent. It was not long until motivation failed poor Atticus. What used to excite him left nothing but emptiness. He slumped at his desk, shoulders hanging down. His yoga mat saw nothing but a frown. The daily pizza takeaway grew into a belly, and his pyjamas got rather smelly. He started boozing on the sly. No one would know if instead of tea his cup held Bordeaux. He worked where he woke, curled up in a ball. A day could pass with no movement at all. His little brain ticked away. Sleep did not come. And when it did, he woke up feeling quite numb. He hid from the world under his duvet cover, much to the dismay of his neglected lover. Enough was enough, he decided one day. He was not going to let himself fall apart this way. He peeled himself out of bed, scrubbed his little head, ready to face whatever lay ahead. Out with the old, it was time to recoup. Instead of pizza, a homemade soup. He stretched his body, did some yoga, and reconnected with his baby cobra. Together with like-minded friends, he took on new challenges and made amends. They would climb Mount Everest, it was decided. A virtual challenge, of course, don't be misguided. He meditated all the time, preparing himself for the climb. He dumped the honey whiskey, well, put it away, and went out into the world to hug trees and play. Soon, he had a mental realization, an epiphany, if you will, when hanging from a branch, all quiet and still. To feel and be free, you must find the sloth in you. I know I am one, he says, but it's what we must all do. Be kind to yourself, especially during this time. Stop, breathe, look inwards, and shift paradigm. It's okay to sometimes swing away and have a less productive day. As Atticus said to me, and I do to you too, to yourself you must be true. Realise that your beat is enough, and focus mainly and more on the love.